Hey, what's up guys, it's Apple Tweaks, and the series we're going over today is called Disable Launch. What this allows you to do is basically disable the apps that you don't want to open. So, right now I may be I can open up any application, but if I disabled them, which just make your activation method, which I will get to, and just enter your password, and icons are disabled. Now I can't click on any icon. See, I click on stock, settings, notes, maps. I can't do anything. So to activate this, just all I need to do is go into settings, which let me enter the passcode one more time. Okay, so just go into settings once you download it, and just find the folder that says disable launch. And you can enable any of these you want to. Just make sure you make a password that you can remember, which of course anytime you could definitely change your password if you forget it. Here is your multitasking, which I have turned off, and here is the specific apps, which is the ones you want to pick to disable or enable. I have all of them turned off, and I'm actually going to turn the App Store on real quick. Go. But this is a really cool tweak, guys. You get this in CS Big Boss Repo for free. And I did mention to you guys I will go over the activation methods, which here they are. You can choose any one you want to choose, guys, which of course mine is set to icon pinch. You also have double tap on the status bar, which is another one that a lot of people use. But just choose the one that's easiest to use, guys. And once again, guys, this is disable launch. It does require iOS 5 or higher, so know that, guys. And here's just a couple of screenshots and a video that you can watch, guys. So remember, the top 10 best CS tweaks are coming up at the end of January, guys. But remember, this is our Apple Tweaks, so stay tuned, guys.